getTranslation is a function that will translate a piece of text or a string into another piece of text in another language. The function has got two arguments. The first one is the string containing the text that we would like to translate, and the second argument is another string containing the language that we would like to translate that first string into. So in this case, the first string is bonjour, which is the sentence we would like to translate, which is in French, and the second string is English, which is saying that we would like to translate bonjour into English. The getTranslation does also return a string, so remember returning means it gives back a result. That means you can put the function on the right-hand side of the equal sign and it will give you an answer that you can then put back into a variable on the left-hand side. It's important to note that this function doesn't automatically display the result on the screen. So if you run the function below, you're not going to see anything. So it's important to remember that before you think that something's gone wrong with your code. So in order to see the result, you need to assign the returned string from the function into a variable. It's going to take the translated string from the function, which is good morning. This is the value that's returned from the function, and it reads from right to left. You've got the equal sign, and so it puts it into the variable called result. There it is. And then in order to display it on the screen, you then need to print that variable by calling the print function and putting the variable inside the function call as an argument. Because the returned value from the function is going into a variable, we can use that variable as an argument to a lot of other functions that you might have learned before, like say. And just like our other functions before, in order to use getTranslation, we have to import it from the goodies module and then also set our school ID using the school ID that the teacher would have given you.